everybody. Welcome aboard the Savannah again. Today just another hour of circuits while we're going the shakedown period of our aircraft since it's massive rebuild. And today the basic aim of the mission is to get the sound to record, which hopefully it is, and we're going to find out as soon as we finish recording this, I suppose, when we get back home. Anyway, just another hour of circuits, and I'll talk you through one circuit with this aircraft sometime during the hour, so hope you enjoy the video. Seatbelt and everything secure, door latched properly, everything all ready to go, got pump on, pressure is normal, leaving the strobes on when we get out there, all circuit breakers are in, cabin lights off, everything's back where it should be. Savannah 4854 is ready, echo run up bay for circuits.
Break, Savannah 4584, taxi holding point Bravo 2, runway 11 right.
Taxi holding point Bravo 2, 11 right, 4854. Bankstown Tower, Savannah 4854, ready, 11 right for circuits.
Savannah 4854, tower, hold position.
Hold position 4854. The other thing when I make a call before entering a runway, I look at this runway sign and read the numbers off as I make the call, that way there's less chance of making a mistake, especially with plane twister like.
4854, runway right, line for wait.
Runway right, line up for wait, 4854. Especially when it comes to runways such as the one right. Yeah, we're lining up and waiting. What we're looking for is full power, which is below RPM as that pops a bit coarse, but I'll be looking for fuel flow as well as oil pressure and temperatures. And as we approach 40 knots, slowly rotate, give the nose up on the horizon, and the aircraft will fly itself off the runway pretty quick at 40 knots.
Savannah 4854, runway right, clear for takeoff.
Runway right, clear for takeoff, 4854. Air brakes off. Full throttle, fuel flow is good. Keep looking out the head, runway straight.
Pressure's good.
Pressures are good. And 30 knots, 40 knots, nose is coming up already.
Yeah,
there we go, 40 knots airborne. Tap the brakes, stop the wheel spinning. Aim for climb out speed of about 50 knots. All T's and P's are normal, especially flying at Bankstown. There's not much room way to go if something goes wrong. Touching 500 feet, begin our cross return.
Tower, doing fine, runway 11 left, report us out.
We're up 700 feet now, major files now, we'll go back to the strip at this point. Looking back at 45 degrees off the runway, approaching the other feet, level off and turn downwind. Reduce power, cruise. And into the sun, that's always fun. Savannah 4854 is downwind, touch and go.
4854, runway right, clear touch and go.
Runway right, clear touch and go, 4854. Okay, cruising 5100 RPM, 87 knots indicated, fuel flow 16 litres an hour. And we're very close to circuit, which I like to do with this aircraft, so always in gliding distance to the field's always good. Okay, yeah, about 45 degrees off the base, so I'll reduce power as I make the turn, so I'll use the extra drag in the turn to reduce speed. And it'll get us back to a nice descent speed of about 60 knots. Trim as we reduce speed, and aim to touchdown at about 14 knots with this aircraft. It's 50 knots. A little trickle of power to get it over there.
Left on my left, I'm not going to get
up. Are you happy with that landing? Down the side of the nose, so I can see the runway centre line, make sure we're still tracking straight, which we are. 55 knots is good climb speed. P's and P's are normal, we've got full power, full fuel flow, and oil pressure's good. 4854 downwind for full stop, request centre or left if available.
Savannah 4854, continue for right, will advise, follow the Bristol late downwind, turning base.
Continue for right, traffic sided, 4854.
Savannah 4854, runway right, clear to land.
Runway right, clear to land, 4854.
Well, pretty happy with that hour of circuits. Very happy with the aircraft. Still performing as well as I remember it. Also just as much fun in the slow speed end of the scale. A couple of approaches there down to the 40 knots, which are very easy controllable and good. Anyway, the weather's been perfect for it. There's no wind at all, no thermals. Temperature's nice, it's not hot, it's not cold. It's actually just a really good, perfect day to go flying. Also got a bit busy towards the end there in the circuit with quite a few aircraft in there. There was a few Cherokees, a few Cessnas, a few other Foxbats, so I had to keep the circuits a bit tight, which I'd like to do anyway, because you always want to be close to the airfield if something goes wrong, especially at Bankstown when you're surrounded by suburbia. But all in all, a good hour of circuits. Hopefully after just a few more hours we'll head out to the training area and start some more slow speed work and learning how to stall the aircraft again and getting the feel for it at speeds down around the 30 to 40 knot mark. Well, thank you for watching and fly safe.